Hello everyone, today I would like to show you about our wheels. This rubber coated wheel is made by Ensoll. There are some stock models like 230mm, 265mm, 300mm and 500mm and so on, and which can be also customized in any spec. As you can see, the outside of the aluminum is polyurethane, which can protect the wire and increase the wheel life. Normally, there are 3 wire grooves in total. Each groove can be used until 720 hours. Please contact us freely if you have any needs about the wheel. We can also provide all parts of endless wire saw machine to support machinery, including endless cutting wires, bearings, flanges, and so on. Welcome to contact us.